Are you interested in using an equity impact assessment process to enhance your work? Here's some simple steps to get started. First, determine what project phase is most relevant to your efforts right now. Are you defining what problems and inequities you want to tackle? Are you designing or assessing strategies to address local inequities? Are you preparing to implement your strategies? Are you ready to learn whether your efforts are starting to make a difference and determine next steps? Once you've determined what phase or phases are most relevant, find the corresponding questions from the assessment tool. You should revisit this step over time as your efforts enter into new project phases. Next, think of all the meetings and conversations you're part of on a monthly basis. How could you bring relevant equity impact assessment questions into these interactions? For example, what collaborative meetings could benefit from these questions? Could you ask these questions during upcoming staff meetings to help assess your organization's current policies and practices? Are there any strategic planning processes coming up where you could use the assessment to help identify inequities to target and design equity-focused strategies? Finally, promote sustainability by embedding equity impact assessment questions directly into your forms and processes. For example, how could you add equity impact assessment questions as permanent agenda items for your collaborative or staff meetings? How can you embed assessment questions directly into your strategic planning documents and templates? How could you add assessment questions into your organization's service planning protocols? Be sure to talk with colleagues from other local organizations about how you're embedding equity impact assessment questions in your work. You may just inspire them to do the same. Also, let people in the community know how you're using the equity impact assessment process. This can help with building public will and support for promoting equity in the community. Want to learn more? Check out the AbleChange Equity Impact Assessment tool. Check out the equity section on the website. Check out the other videos in this series.